Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get 50 EMA on TradingView. First, open your TradingView chart for the asset you want to analyze. The 50 exponential moving average is a powerful tool for identifying medium-term trends and reacting quickly to price changes. It's a favorite among traders for its balanced sensitivity. We'll walk through the simple steps to add this essential indicator to your chart. Once your chart is open, look for the Indicators button, often represented by a beaker icon in the top toolbar. Click on it to open the indicator menu. In the search bar, type Moving Average Exponential and select it from the results. This will add a default EMA line to your chart. Don't worry about the default settings, we'll adjust those next. Now that the EMA is on your chart, hover over the indicator line and click the Settings cog icon. In the Inputs tab, change the length parameter to 50. This sets it as the 50 EMA. Then, navigate to the Style tab to customize its appearance. You can choose a distinct color and increase the line's thickness for better visibility. Click OK to apply your changes. The 50 EMA is excellent for identifying medium-term trends. When the price stays above the 50 EMA, it often signals an uptrend, and when it's below, a downtrend. It can also act as a dynamic support or resistance level. Combine it with other indicators for a more robust analysis. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener and other great deals. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.